Ever dreamt of getting paid just by listening to your favorite tunes? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in 2023, the dream is very much alive. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of earning money online by simply tuning into music. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. The digital age has revolutionized the way we make money. Not only have traditional businesses been transformed, but entirely new avenues of income have emerged. One such method has music enthusiasts worldwide dancing to its beat, literally. By the end of this video, you'll know the secrets behind monetizing your love for music. Let's kick things off with the why. Why would anyone pay you to listen to music? Simple. Musicians, producers, and record labels are constantly seeking feedback on their tracks. They want real and biased opinions. By listening and giving feedback, you're essentially a part of their quality control. Not only that, new platforms specifically built to bridge the gap between listeners and creators have made this all possible. One of the most prominent platforms that have come into the limelight is Music Review Hub. Here, artists upload their tracks and users, that's you, listen, rate, and review. With each review, you earn. The better your feedback, the more you stand to make. But wait, there's more. Some platforms offer referral bonuses, so bringing in your music-loving friends can also bump up those earnings. As we talk about this, if you're finding value in the content, please take a second to hit the subscribe button. Join the Business Cafe family and never miss out on unique ways to grow your income and business. Now, some of you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, it's important to approach these platforms with realistic expectations. While you won't become a millionaire overnight, with dedication and genuine passion for music, you can make a substantial side income. Remember, every big journey begins with small steps. Another platform making waves is Sound Earnings. Unlike others, Sound Earnings works on a point system. The more songs you review, the more points you gather. These points can then be converted into cash or gift cards. However, it's not just about listening. Building a profile, understanding the genres, and consistently giving valuable feedback can set you apart. Some users have been approached by record labels for exclusive listening sessions, turning this side hustle into a potential full-time gig. For all the multitaskers out there, guess what? You can incorporate this into other activities. Whether you're working out, commuting, or just lounging around, pop on the track, listen, and earn. Imagine getting fit, both physically and financially, at the same time. Well, let's talk strategy. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time daily or weekly to ensure you're making the most of these platforms. Engage with the community, collaborate, and share insights. The more active you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Now, while platforms like Music Review Hub and Sound Earnings are gaining immense popularity, they're just the tip of the iceberg. Let's dive deeper into some lesser-known yet equally lucrative opportunities in the music listening realm. Private music beta testing. You might have heard of beta testers for software or games. Similarly, there is a rising demand for beta testers in the music industry. Artists are eager to get their tracks reviewed before public release. By joining exclusive music beta testing groups, you can be among the first to hear new songs, give feedback, and yes, get paid for it. In essence, it's like having VIP access to the freshest tracks before they hit the mainstream. Podcast review platforms. The podcast industry is booming, and with it comes an increased demand for quality checks. PodTuneIn is a platform where podcast creators upload snippets of their content for feedback. The process is similar to music review platforms, but centered around podcasts. And the best part, the payouts are typically higher since the content is often longer. This unique angle makes it a lucrative venture for those passionate about spoken content. We've talked about reviewing songs, but there's another angle to this: music curation. Platforms like MuseLister allow you to create and share playlists. When other users learn to and appreciate your curated list, you earn. Think of it as being a DJ for the online world. This not only pays but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. knowing others are enjoying music based on your personal taste. In a digital age, this is a modern twist on sharing mixtapes with friends. Another avenue, and perhaps the most intriguing, is music surveys and studies. Research firms often conduct studies on the impact of music, how it influences mood, productivity, shopping habits, and more. By participating in these studies, you're contributing to the broader understanding of music's effect on the human psyche. Platforms like Tune Insights allow you to be a part of these studies, and the compensation can be quite generous. It's a beautiful blend of scientific inquiry and musical appreciation. Let's also talk about community building. As you become more seasoned in reviewing and understanding music, you could start a forum or a discussion group. These groups can attract other like-minded individuals. As your community grows, so do opportunities to monetize. Think sponsorships, exclusive song releases, and even collaborations with budding artists. Fostering a community can open doors to numerous opportunities in the music world. Let's not forget about music apps and platforms. While some apps pay you to listen, others might reward you for other tasks. For example, Lyric Match is an app where you listen to a song and then fill in missing lyrics. It's like a game, and every correct answer earns you points, which can be converted to cash. Transforming music listening into a rewarding challenge can make the experience even more enjoyable. In the realm of music, there's also a space for affiliate marketing. As you listen and review more music, you become an influencer in the space. Platforms might offer you affiliate links, and for every user who signs up through your link, you get a commission. It's a great way to earn passive income as you continue to enjoy your favorite tracks. This approach marries the joy of music discovery with the potential for financial growth. Remember, the key to maximizing your earnings is to diversify. Don't pull all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple platforms, find your niche, and see what works best for you. This journey is not just about making money, but also about deepening your relationship with music, exploring new genres, and connecting with the global community of enthusiasts. Alright, before we close, a quick recap. In today's age, there are a plethora of avenues to monetize your love for music. From reviewing tracks and curating playlists to participating in studies and building communities, the world of music has never been this rewarding. With dedication, passion, and the right strategy, the rhythm of coins clinking could very well be your next favorite tune. Thank you once again for tuning into the Business Cafe, your one-stop destination for all things business. Don't forget to hit that like button, and for more insightful content, do subscribe. We have a lot more brewing for you. Until next time, keep those tracks playing and the earnings rolling.